Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the basics. Make sure your watch is charged and paired because accurate data needs active sensors. Open the activity app on your watch and look at the 3 rings, move, exercise, stand, to note current progress. Next, on your iPhone, enable fitness tracking and set a sensible move goal. This guides daily targets. Once done, wear the watch snugly because a good fit helps heart rate and motion sensing work properly for reliable ring completion. Now you'll focus on consistent actions that convert into closed rings. Start by breaking the move goal into bite-sized sessions, 10 to 15-minute walks 2 to 3 times a day, which add calories steadily. Use the workout app for brisk walks, cycling, or HIIT because those reliably register exercise minutes. Also enable stand reminders on the watch and plan short walking breaks or alarms. This ensures you hit 12 standing hours. Make sure to sync with your iPhone so daily metrics update. To finish your day, add a deliberate push. A 10 to 20-minute brisk walk or a short workout will often close both move and exercise rings. Once done, check the health and activity apps to confirm steps, calories, and minutes synced. Then adjust your move goal if it's consistently too easy or too hard. If rings aren't registering correctly, recalibrate the watch by walking with GPS and toggle motion and fitness off and on. This fixes most sensor or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.